evolution. Okay, let me make an announcement. You just take advantage on evolution. Topic yo series ndio mwe ya evolution to me kuma ndi kukamba kupang'ono za cancer maso biotechnology right after finishing this topic ngati diseases, common diseases measures I think you can just lead kuma, so we've done it so much komano in case mundafuna kuti ndipange ecosystem I can do a feel nice ecosystem that I can do if you want komano generally matopic that you can lead on your own your season the many evolution at least pang'ono biotechnology. Let's begin. Evolution come from the word evolve, meaning to say kusintha from the way we were in the past up to this moment. So as this picture is trying to show how a human being evolved. Look, kala nali ngati nyani paka na pano akuoneka kuti basi ndi munthu wabwino bwino like that. So that's evolution. Well, what I'm going to look at, outline evidence of evolution. Tiona kumombo noti di kale finale anyani, we have to look here. Describe the natural selection in action. Explain how natural selection occurs. Let's begin. Meaning of evolution. Evolution is the gradual change of organism from simple to complex organism over a period of time. Gradual change of organism from simple to complex organism over a period of time. Kusintha kwa an organism from simple to complex as time goes. It is also defined as change in inheritance traits of biological population over a recessive generation. Also, evolution in biology is backed up by the theory which was proposed by scientist by name Charles Darwin. So he is the father of evolution. Charles Darwin is regarded as the father of evolution simply just because he was the one who discovered this evolution. To say, in the past we were monkeys, but now we are human. So anapeleka maumboni oti tikaona inaweza mkuza kuja uta think idi so in the past we were monkeys. Charles Darwin theory, it stated that all living things arise from common ancestor over a long period of time. So this guy said, ifeyo chamo chilichonse mimachona kandi nkhuku kandi anthu kandi njoka whatsoever you see kandi fish and the like tonse tinachokera ku same parent. This guy studied biology, so he came up with that conclusion to say tinachokera from same parent chicho chamo evidence. So he gave some of the evidence. I mean, I'm a bit computer. I fed it. I think naturally from the same parent. Evidence in the information that is used to prove that a given idea is true or not. So evidence evolution include fossil records. That is known as paleontology, comparative embryology, comparative anatomy, geological distribution, cell biology. So we have to look at this evidence to say nditika panga evidence amene wawa is when you can conclude say I think it don't say fit naturally from a single parent. So fossil records, that's paleontology. It says is the study of life forms that existed over represented by their fossils. So paleontology is the study of life form that existed from represented by fossils. So under fossils tukamba zinthu ngati dead organism that maybe were buried under the sea, so they come up a living organism. Fossil remains of plants and animals which are used to live some years ago. Fossils are studied and the fossil information are related to organism is arranged in such a way that they form series according to their age. Fossil record paleontology. Fossil records revealed that they show progressive change within forms of an organism after studying fossil records. They show extinction of organisms due to presence of fossil organisms that do not exist today. They show transition forms between groups of organisms, thereby showing that they have a shared history. So ma evidence ya fossil records anapeleka mambo naudi show progressive change within the form of organism. They show extinction of organism due to presence of fossils of organisms that do not exist today. They also show transition forms between groups of organisms, thereby showing that they have shared history. Limitation. Though anapeleka maevidence amenewa kumasana ma weakness. 1. Softer parts of organism decay, making the records incomplete. That is, therefore, only there is distortion due to flattening of part of organism during the sedimentation. Only few records are available because some organisms are lost through fire, volcanic activities, and so on and so forth. So fossil records, I'm gonna say like this, say Kalebo, 5 million years ago, chigaga chama chikoninga chili passage like this, like that. But as 3.5 million years ago, China developed like this. So an organism is gradual changer. So sometimes like this, later like this, finally chigagazam to like that. That's it. Comparative embryology. So evidence number 2 is comparative embryology, human fossil fuel or paleontology. Under comparative embryology, we compare the embryo of different organisms. For example, the study of embryo of closely related species shows similar patterns, development of certain stages. These similarities support the idea that organisms share the common evolution origin. Comparative embryology, embryonic comparison of in animals below similarity indicates a common evolution. Mwachisanzo tuone embryo. Mutati mone embryo if yamba ndi embryo ya frog, yachiyo ndi embryo ya chick, yachilatu ndi large embryo. Kumaso mutati mone embryo ya munthu imaoneka sungali choncho. So you can see kuti embryo ya chule, ya chicken, fat, kumaso munthu imaoneka embryo like that. So this man Charles Darwin atachita discover like that my embryo umafanana. Is when he come to conclusion to say, I think we indeed come from the same parent. That's embryology. We compare the embryo of different organisms. Comparative anatomy. Under comparative anatomy, this involves the study of structural plan of certain parts of organism. For example, pentadactyl limb plan of four-legged animals show that the animal evolved from common ancestor. The design shows that the presence of 5 fingers, digit, and 4-legged vertebrates. For example, mkono wa muntu umafana mkono wa nyani, umafana za 5 feet, meno wapindikira za bwino. So this guy after studying pentadactyl limb, and now he discovered, I think unfair. We come from same parent. So comparative anatomy, we compare the pentadactyl limb of different organisms. For example, look at that. Suppose the pentadactyl limb plant imene muna ndia. Okay, let's take this one. Pentadactyl limb plant. Ya human, maona ya human, ndi mone ya cat, chimozimozi, mone ya whale, ndi chimozimozi, mone ya bat, ndi chimozimozi. So after this guy studying all this, and now I feel we are from same parent. So that's comparative anatomy. The following category of structures studied are homologous structures, analogous structures, and vestigial structures. So these are structures that this guy studied. Under homologous structures, they are structures having similar patterns but are used for different function in an organism. So homologous they are of similar pattern, but they perform different functions. For example, four limb of human being and that of donkey. They show different evolution. These organisms diverge from each other during evolution. Like that, human, dog, bird, whale. Look at that. So in us, you can see that they're almost the same. Kumano ngakale nkono ngakale their functions are different. Muntu mkono wake amagera sima kunyamula zinthu tani pamene uyo zinazo zimagwisa chito kuyenda. You see? Many analogous structures, body structures having different pattern but used for the same function in organism, e.g. wings of insect. They show convergent evolution, which suggests that this organism evolved from different ancestors but different adaptation. So they from different ancestors but their adaptation they're just same. For example, insect, look mapigo yake, but they perform different their function the same, but where they were designed from different. Vestigial structure present in some organism but serve no function at all time, e.g. appendix in humans and the clitoris in female. So if you can see appendix in human, appendix digestive system, we have this certain part known as appendix. It does not play any function. Same applies to clitoris in female. Does it play any function? So presence of those, but they play no function. Geographical distribution, plants and animals of the same species were separated by geological barrier, that such as oceans, mountains, due to continental drifting. These organisms evolved into different species as they adapted different climatic and environmental conditions. So geological distribution, organisms were separated by maybe lakes, they cannot meet. So they adapt differently as such. Zima Carthosiana. Cell biology. The study of blood pigment such as hemoglobin is closely related. Organisms such as human and chimpanzees show that they are biochemically similar. This suggests that these organisms evolved from the same parent. So, kwangna cell ya these closely related animals, they possess similar characteristics, of which we can come to conclusion say they evolved from same parent. Thank you.